Hi guys, and welcome back to another sewing vlog. If you're new here, my name's Shireen and I talk all things sewing and homemaking. So if that's something you're into, then I would love if you join the sewing family. I hope you're all doing really well, and since today's going to be a really fun sewing day, I thought I would take you guys along too. So I've got a couple of sewing projects that I want to do today. One of them being a set of curtains I want to adjust for the bedroom. Now I'm going to be taking a considerable length off of it, which will mean there is some spare fabric to play along with, and I'm thinking of making something else for the room just to tie in those details. Now this curtain is gorgeous. I managed to find it on sale in Dunelm and it has some really beautiful embroidered detailing on it. I will show you that a bit later on. I haven't fully decided what I'm going to make with the rest. It kind of depends on how much fabric I have left, and I'll take you along that journey as well to see what I do with those. I am actually really excited today to be sitting down and just doing some really focused sewing, because the last few weeks have just been absolute mayhem. Obviously Christmas time, it's always super busy, but as well with doing YouTube and trying to do these gift guides, which have taken quite a few days and hours of days, but also all the social occasions that happen at this time of year as well. Also trying to make garments for those occasions, and maybe that's just me being ambitious, but I love wearing my me makes to Christmas do's, so that's just me. So yeah, it's been quite full on. We're nearly through the hardest part, I think. Swap hands. This is a me made dress. This is the Mia dress, which I absolutely love. It's essentially a tiered dress with a lovely V neckline, and I made it using this viscose material, which is really thin but actually super insulating. And I've just popped on a cardigan because it is short sleeved. It goes perfectly with this cardigan because it's got these little embroidered flowers on there, which also match the floral print here. This fabric is quite old. I think I got this from my local fabric shop when it was still open, so I don't think I'm going to find something the same, but if I find something similar then I'll link it down below. But I just think the size of the floral print is just perfect, and I think sometimes it's quite a fine balance to find a nice floral print with the right size. So that's my outfit for the day. Anyway, let's make a cup of tea and let's get sewing. Look how funny this is. I mean, she's like proper curled up in this like tiny nook between me and the sofa. Oh, did I wake you? I'm so sorry. Oh, we're gone. We've gone back again. Would you be any more snug in the little corner here? Oh, how cute is she? She is just always wanting attention and contact. How sad is it that I'm going to have to stand up and break her cozy dreams right now? Don't know if I can do it. Okay, so I needed to take a measurement of my bedroom window because I wanted to change the curtain to the new one that I found in Dunelm, which was on sale. And if you watched my Dunelm fabric haul, you would have also seen this. But essentially, it's this voile which has this beautiful embroidery all across it. And I just think it's just so pretty and not really that sheer really. So I thought that would be perfect because it also have enough to gather, and it has a little tab at the top. So my plan is to not only trim it, but I also want to create a frill just as a design detail, because there is going to be some of this left, and yeah, just think it would be a shame not to use a little bit more of it to accentuate the design. So it needs to be 160 long in total, which is that long, which then leaves that much free, which actually I might use then to make a matching cushion, because I always find that tying in different elements of the room together can be really fitting. Or I could use the rest to make some more frills on cushions, on white cushions that maybe I already have. So who knows? Let's see. So let's get trimming. So what I've decided to do is, because the bottom already has this lovely little hem down here, is that I might actually just cut all the way along here and make this into the actual ruffle because it's already hemmed over. So the length of this is 5 plus seam allowance, I'd probably say 4. So I'm going to take 4 off 160, this is 156 centimetres. So we're going to mark that, which is 156. And because you measure twice and cut once, we're going to go again. Right, I'm going to do a bit of a shortcut here and fold it. So we've got quite a bit left here. I'm going to save that because I want to make some cushions. Matching cushions. So using this strip as a template, I'm actually going to cut out another strip from the bottom of the curtain, obviously doubling it over because this is already folded. So I'll need probably one more of this because I'm probably going to gather it double. And then I'm going to do a basting stitch all the way along, pull together, and then sew it to the actual curtain. I need to make sure that I'm going to do the seam on the back side, so basically where the label is on the thing, so it's all nice and consistent and facing the right way. So let's do that. So this is the moment of truth, because I hope with the adjustments that I've made that it's not like super short. But essentially this is what the ruffles look like. I had a bit of difficulty gathering it because of all the threaded pattern that's through it, but it still turned out okay. So that's the look of the frill. I've given it a press so that it's all facing the right way. And I'm going to take down this old one and then feed this one through. Just